Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is going to be a video to show you guys how to turn off the seatbelt buzzard when you don't put your seatbelt on and that annoying beep that comes on. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn the power on without starting the car. So you push the button 2 times. You're going to locate the trip button on your vehicle. Today I'm working on a 2006 Lexus GS300, and this one's actually located right here on this flip down panel. So you're gonna go ahead and push that button until the mileage actually shows on the vehicle. Just like that. So you don't want it on trip A, you don't want it on trip B. You wanna make sure the mileage of the vehicle is actually displayed. Next thing you wanna do is power cycle the vehicle 2 times, which means turning the ignition on and off twice. And then on the 3rd time, you're actually gonna leave it on. So just like that, turn it on once, turn it off, turn it on again, off, and then one more time and leave it on. Then you want to go ahead and hold down the trip button for 10 seconds. All right, so while you're holding the button down, you want to go ahead and buckle the seatbelt in. So if you did everything correctly, this message should pop up where it says seatbelt buzzard on or off, and you can just go ahead and hit the trip button to turn it on or off, and that'll make sure to turn off the buzzard sound.